It's a beautiful mini island. It's 9 municipalities, and then one and one of my municipalities is Del Carmen. We have sceneries in Sokba Lagoon, and we have more mini beach. And even my small barrio town is small but island. It's good island. In October, I go home. It's fiesta. I spend there. In October, I have already a ticket. I always buy there the fish that's so yummy fish. And also the black rice, red rice, so yummy. Only a small, only the Siargao is only a small, but they have more different sceneries. We have hiking, land tour, uh, island hopping. We have more, and also we have cave, we have surfing. So many adventure. Where are you now? In the Philippines. I am here.